today. Hi guys, what's up guys? And today I gotta show you my Barbie dream house. Okay, this is a Kawaii world and I just built it alone. Okay, before we go to the house, first we can go over here. This is just a little house, yeah, a little house here. Look like if you want to smell of fresh air, you can go here. Okay. Now next is to the pool. Getting night. I need to go to bed. Over here to the pool. Yeah, I got a pool. Yeah, pink pool. Cause Barbie have a pink pool. Okay, there. Alright, pool. Yeah, it's a pool here. With this, that you can go jump to the pool. Over here we can have a sunbae. Over here we get a barbecue. Okay, we can cook some barbecue or some hot dogs or burgers. Okay, over here I got a garage. Here, with a car. I don't know how to build car, but I just built like this. Nice too. Over here a picnic van. Okay, if they want to go picnic, you can get here. Okay, now I can go to the house. Over here, in the entrance, we get a mailbox. Okay, we got a chair in the entrance. There, there's it. Got a two stairs. This thing connecting to my bedroom, and this thing connecting to a balcony. Okay, this is my cat and my dog. I don't name them because I don't know what gonna be name him. Here's my living room with a TV, a clock, and a bookshelf. Okay, over here, yeah, it's connecting to my bedroom, and this is my computer. Over here, my bedroom, and my bookshelf. And over here, I got a balcony there, and over here, I can go sit and smell other fresh air. Okay, and over here, we got a kitchen. I got a kitchen. We got a refrigerator, a cabinet with spoon, bowl, plate, and cups. Over here, I got a furnace where we can go cook some food. Over here, got a shelf with a cactus and flower. Over here, a pantry with a cookie. We got a cookie here and cookie and pie cake, sweet food, cereals. And over here, I got a shoe rack where all my shoes is over here. Okay, over here, upstairs, I got a pink mat. Yeah, a chandeliers hanging, and a balcony. Yeah, you can see my car over there, the entrance, and the mailbox. Over here, the pool. Yeah, you can see the pool here. The barbecue. Over there, I got a hanging fan. There. There's all of them. There's all of them. And over here, you can see this is my balcony and my bedroom. Down on the balcony, I got a table and a chair. If you want to go eat here, you can eat here. Outside. Okay. This is the back of the Barbie dream house. There. This is the pool. There. Over here in the front. And okay, there. This is for now, and thank you for watching. Bye.